The Forex market is highly volatile and full of challenges, with over 90% of traders failing due to impulsive decisions and lack of experience. This causes many to hesitate when stepping into this arena. However, there is a safer and more effective approach: long-term trading, a solution that helps you stay away from the continuous cycle of short-term volatility and maintain stability in investing. Long-term trading is not just a financial strategy, it is also a way to protect mental health and balance life. With this strategy, you don't have to sit in front of the screen all day, you're not driven by emotional decisions, and you don't have to pay the price with your own peace of mind. Instead of dealing with the stress from short-term market fluctuations, long-term trading allows you to enjoy sustainable financial freedom without sacrificing your mental health or personal life. With long-term trading, you can better control your emotions, avoid impulsive decisions, and optimize both financial returns and quality of life. It is an ideal choice for those who seek stability and sustainability in the volatile Forex market. This strategy helps you maintain a peaceful life, steer clear of short-term pressures, and seek opportunities that truly hold value. Reasons to choose long-term Forex trading. Choosing an appropriate trading strategy to maintain emotional stability and optimize profits has become an important trend. Failure in Forex trading is common among many traders, especially those lacking experience or discipline. The Forex market is not easy to conquer, and many have given up after suffering significant losses from ill-founded decisions. Therefore, choosing a strategy like long-term trading can help traders reduce failures, as they are not caught up in short-term volatility and can avoid impulsive trades that lead to unnecessary losses. Long-term Forex trading is a promising solution for those traders who seek stability and peace of mind in the market. Long-term investing is not just about holding trades for a long time, it is an investment philosophy based on a broad perspective and a scientific strategy. Long-term investing helps traders avoid making emotional decisions on a daily or weekly basis, which are often influenced by short-term market volatility. This means that instead of being swept away by short-term price fluctuations, traders can focus on long-term trends, major changes, and opportunities that truly hold value. A long-term strategy helps traders build better emotional control because they do not need to monitor the market anxiously every day. Instead, they can set long-term goals, focus on analyzing the fundamental factors affecting currency pairs, and make informed decisions. This helps them avoid panic or greed during sudden price swings, thereby reducing stress. Moreover, long-term investing brings significant benefits in terms of time and quality of life. Most traders have various commitments in life, such as a primary job, family, and personal interests. Therefore, long-term trading is a great choice that allows them to participate in the market without compromising the balance between work and life. Not having to constantly check trading charts also helps reduce psychological pressure, allowing traders to maintain a calmer and more stable mindset, avoiding being manipulated by the market unnecessarily. Additionally, long-term trading helps to optimize costs. Each time a trade is placed, traders incur transaction costs such as spreads or commissions. With a long-term strategy, the number of trades is fewer, meaning that transaction costs are significantly reduced. For beginners in the market, trading less also helps to minimize the risk of losses and limits mistakes caused by inexperience or emotional influence. The benefits of long-term Forex trading. Reducing stress and pressure. Long-term Forex trading brings clear benefits in reducing stress and pressure for traders. Unlike short-term trading, where decisions need to be made quickly, long-term trading allows market participants to stay calm and avoid being influenced by short-term price fluctuations, which often happen suddenly and unpredictably. The Forex market is constantly changing, and keeping up with it every minute and every hour can make traders feel exhausted and caught up in a relentless cycle. For beginners or those without much experience, this pressure can easily lead to frustration and poor decisions. With a long-term trading strategy, traders can spend more time on fundamental analysis, researching the long-term factors affecting currency pairs, and focus on making decisions that are informed and well-founded. This not only helps them avoid impulsive decisions, but also helps optimize profits in the long run. Not having to constantly monitor the market also gives traders more time for other aspects of their lives, such as taking care of family, pursuing personal interests, or focusing on their main job. Moreover, reducing psychological pressure helps traders maintain a healthier and happier life. They do not need to stay up late to monitor prices or worry about small fluctuations that could impact their accounts. Instead, they can get proper rest, maintain their health, and spend quality time with the important relationships in their lives. All these elements contribute to creating balance and stability, which is something every trader hopes to achieve when participating in a challenging market like Forex. Optimizing profit. Long-term traders can optimize their profits from significant market movements without needing to adjust their positions frequently. This strategy allows for gradual profit accumulation, reducing the risk of losses from rash decisions during market volatility. Profit here should be understood in a broader sense, not just in terms of money, but also in terms of mental stability. Long-term trading helps traders maintain a comfortable mental state without constantly worrying about minor fluctuations. This brings them not only financial prosperity but also balance and peace in their lives. Experiencing less stress and making fewer decisions under pressure helps traders feel more confident, which contributes to their overall psychological and financial profitability. One of the most important aspects of long-term trading is the ability to focus on the big picture rather than getting caught up in the short-term fluctuations of the market. This helps traders avoid negative emotions like panic or greed, which often lead to poor decisions during times of high market volatility. Instead of constantly monitoring the market and making reactive decisions, long-term traders can spend their time researching fundamental factors that affect the market, thereby identifying long-term trends and developing appropriate investment strategies. They also have the opportunity to build a clear and scientific trading plan, with long-term investment goals that help them optimize both financial returns and sustainable development. Long-term trading also allows traders to fully exploit the potential of major market trends, which can yield greater profits compared to short-term trading strategies. Long-term trends are often less affected by minor news events or temporary occurrences, allowing traders to make investment decisions that are not influenced by random factors. This not only gives them an advantage in optimizing profits from significant market movements, but also helps them remain patient and less influenced by minor market swings. Another major benefit of long-term trading is the optimization of trading costs. Fewer trades mean lower transaction costs such as spreads and commissions. These costs, when accumulated from frequent short-term trades, can become substantial and reduce overall profitability. On the other hand, with a long-term trading strategy, traders only need to enter positions a few times over an extended period, significantly reducing transaction costs. This is especially important for beginners or traders without a lot of capital, as optimizing costs can help them save a substantial portion of their overall profit. Lower costs mean higher actual returns, helping traders achieve their financial goals more quickly and effectively. Long-term trading also helps to build a solid mindset and trading discipline. Unlike short-term trading strategies, long-term trading requires traders to be patient and continually learn and develop their strategies. They need to understand the economic and political factors affecting currency pairs, which allows them to perform well-grounded, accurate analyses. This helps traders succeed not only in the short term, but also in building a strong foundation of knowledge for long-term success. Better emotional control. One of the strengths of long-term trading is that it helps traders be less affected by short-term market fluctuations. By not getting caught up in minor changes, they can more easily stick to their initial plan without falling into panic or excessive excitement. This stability helps them maintain better emotional control, which is crucial for achieving long-term success. Moreover, not having to constantly monitor trading charts and price updates significantly reduces psychological stress for traders. When they do not need to follow the market hour by hour, they can focus on more important factors, such as long-term analysis, evaluating major market trends, and scientifically adjusting their strategies. This allows traders to avoid the anxiety that comes with insignificant short-term fluctuations, while also fostering the development of a deeper investment mindset. In addition, having fewer short-term trading decisions to make helps them reduce the risk of being influenced by emotions like greed or fear. Making fewer trades also means they are less exposed to the risk of failure. When entering multiple trades, traders face many unpredictable situations, increasing their chances of making mistakes, especially when emotions drive decisions. Making fewer trades helps traders minimize the number of times they have to face risky situations, thereby reducing the likelihood of losses. These factors play an essential role in maintaining a stable mindset, enabling traders to feel more confident and focused on long-term goals, thereby enhancing their chances of success on the path to sustainable financial growth. Furthermore, Entering fewer trades helps reduce the risk of losses because each trade is made with careful consideration and ample preparation. Fewer trades also mean traders face fewer short-term, difficult decisions, thus limiting unnecessary mistakes and losses. Who is suitable for long-term Forex trading? A long-term trading strategy is not suitable for every trader. It is a strategy that fits those who possess patience, discipline, and good emotional control skills. People with stable income often do not want to spend too much time monitoring the market daily, which makes long-term trading an ideal choice for them to optimize profits without spending too much time. One crucial factor that makes long-term trading a suitable choice for many traders is the ability to maintain and nurture family relationships. The happiness of a trader does not only lie in achieving high profits, but also in being able to be with loved ones, sharing precious moments of life together. With long-term trading, traders are not required to be glued to their computer screens for hours, which allows them time to care for their families, participate in family activities, from cozy family dinners to trips with loved ones. For many, the value of long-term trading lies in the freedom it offers. They can proactively arrange their lives, maintain their primary job, while still participating in investing and achieving financial prosperity. This is particularly important for those who hold demanding jobs requiring a lot of time and effort. Instead of giving up their main job to pursue short-term trading, they can choose long-term trading, a strategy that allows them to balance their passion for investing with their job responsibilities. This helps them maintain their primary source of income while leveraging their spare time to optimize long-term investment opportunities. Long-term trading also provides significant mental benefits. People who often face work pressures understand how crucial mental peace is. By not stressing over short-term market fluctuations, they can focus on what truly matters in life, taking care of their children's development, or being there for and caring for their spouse. This mental stability not only enhances the quality of family life but also plays a crucial role in helping traders maintain a steady mindset when making investment decisions. Traders who want to build a stable financial plan, think long-term, and avoid the pressure of seeking quick profits will find long-term trading to be a suitable strategy. It is an excellent choice for those who want to enjoy life with their family, maintain their current job, while still investing and growing their wealth sustainably. Long-term trading offers them the opportunity to live fully with the most important values in life: family, peace, and long-term financial prosperity. Long-term trading also gives them more time to pursue dreams and personal hobbies without the burden of short-term trading pressures. Instead of constantly making urgent decisions, they can savor every moment, spend time reading, learning new knowledge, or even undertaking passion projects they previously didn't have time for. This is a style of investing not just for financial gain, but also for quality of life, helping each trader achieve financial goals while living a meaningful and happy life alongside their loved ones. Key considerations when choosing long-term trading. Traders need to develop a clear, flexible long-term trading plan and stick to it to avoid being swayed by short-term volatility. Failure in Forex is common, especially for those who lack patience and do not have a clear strategy. Entering the market without careful preparation can lead to significant losses. Long-term trading allows traders to take more time for in-depth analysis, minimizing the risk of emotional influence and rash decisions, thereby reducing the chances of failure. This involves setting clear goals and ensuring that the investment plan aligns with personal financial conditions and long-term objectives. The plan must be flexible enough to adapt to changing market conditions while still maintaining the core principles of long-term investing. Moreover, it is essential to remember that, aside from trading, most people have other responsibilities and commitments, such as their primary job, caring for family, and engaging in community activities. Therefore, adopting a long-term trading strategy not only helps maintain financial stability, but also brings peace of mind, preventing them from being overly manipulated by the market and allowing them to focus on other personal responsibilities. Traders can spend this valuable time on other important aspects of life, such as acquiring new knowledge, spending time with loved ones, and even pursuing personal hobbies that might have been neglected due to the stress of short-term trading. Risk management is an extremely crucial factor in long-term trading. Traders should set proper entry and stop-loss points to achieve a balance between profit and capital safety. A good risk management plan will involve determining an acceptable level of risk for each trade and setting stop-loss points to preserve capital in case the market moves unexpectedly. At the same time, fewer trades mean fewer times facing risk, thereby reducing errors caused by emotions and helping the trader's mind remain steady and calm in making investment decisions. When traders place fewer trades, they have more time for thorough analysis before making a decision, thereby increasing their chances of success. Additionally, long-term trading strategies help traders avoid the constant stress caused by the continuous fluctuations of the market. This is especially important when they have other obligations and responsibilities besides trading. A long-term trader can live a life not haunted by daily price movements, but instead focus on the bigger picture. This not only brings financial benefits but also helps maintain mental health, since they do not have to deal with the pressure of continuous losses or make decisions in haste. An important point to note is that, with long-term trading, the duration of holding positions is longer, leading to potentially greater profits from significant market movements. This also means that the volume of trades tends to decrease, as the emphasis is on fewer but more significant positions. Therefore, maintaining the mental stamina to hold positions for days or even weeks becomes an extremely important skill. A trader's ability to withstand and hold on to trades through periods of ups and downs without succumbing to emotional triggers is crucial in ensuring that they maximize gains from long-term market trends rather than exiting prematurely and missing out on potential profits. This mental strength, often known as gonglen, is a vital component of successful long-term trading. Long-term trading also helps traders build discipline and patience, which are two essential qualities for success in the financial markets. Patience helps them avoid getting caught up in short-term opportunities that might carry unnecessary risk, while discipline ensures that they strictly adhere to the rules set to protect their capital and optimize their profits. The combination of discipline and patience also helps traders maintain a stable mindset, avoiding common mistakes like greed during market growth or fear during sharp market downturns. In conclusion, choosing a long-term trading strategy provides numerous benefits that extend beyond financial returns. It provides a balanced, stress-reduced approach that allows traders to focus on the things that matter most in life, whether that's nurturing family relationships, developing personal skills, or maintaining their mental well-being. By focusing on fewer, more significant trades and strengthening their mental resilience, traders can not only increase their chances of financial success, but also lead a happier, more fulfilled life. Long-term Forex trading is considered an effective strategy for those seeking stability, reducing stress, and optimizing profits in a safe manner. If you find yourself resonating with this strategy, it's time to start building a long-term plan to get closer to financial freedom in the Forex market. Don't forget to hit like and share to spread the value of this content to more people. If you know someone who might also be interested in long-term trading strategies, please share this video with them. Your sharing will help the trader community become stronger and more intelligent in their investment decisions. Remember, the road to success is never easy, but with patience and the right strategy, you can achieve the unimaginable. Don't let short-term fluctuations hold you back. Set long-term goals and keep your focus on the bigger picture. The Forex market may be full of challenges, but as long as you trust your strategy and maintain a strong mindset, success will come. Thank you for staying with us, and we wish you sustainable success on your trading journey. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let's grow together.